Hello KG2, this is Bushra Tanju again with a new lesson of reading. Today we will read the next half of page number 13. Let's start. You can see there are 3-letter words, and in between of all these words you can see the same sound, that is a. Okay, let's start reading. B, a, t, bat. B, a, t, bat. B, a, g, bag. B, a, g, bag. K, a, n, can. K, a, n, can. K, a, t, cat. K, a, t, cat. T, a, n, tan. T, a, n, tan. T, a, p, tap. T, a, p, tap. H, a, t, hat. H, a, t, hat. H, a, g, hag. H, a, g, hag. N, a, p, nap. N, a, p, nap. N, a, g, nag. N, a, g, nag. G, a, p, gap. G, a, p, gap. G, a, g, gag. G, a, g, gag. That's all for today. Repeat it at home, and if you have any problem or query, you can contact me on my email address and your own English teacher also.